How to log out of Binance app on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out of your Binance app on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let us begin. First, open up your Binance. After you open it up, you will see this initial page right here. Now let me go back there. Yeah, this is the initial page. Now what you need to do to log out of it is tap on this top left icon on the top. You'll see the Binance logo. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll get redirected to your user profile. Now right there you will see an arrow right beside your user ID. Tap on this arrow, and after you tap on it, you will see the option to switch account or log out. Now it's really simple, just tap on logout and you've been logged out. It's that simple guys. That is how you log out of Binance app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is it for the video. Stay tuned for more.